Welcome to Clickworker review. In this video, I'm gonna give you my honest review about Clickworker. If you can make money here on Clickworker, or is this legit or a waste of time? Okay. But first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from your home, click the link down below in the description of this video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Let's talk about the Clickworker. Clickworker, guys, this is a legit platform that you can use to make some extra income online, but we're going to talk about how much you can make here on Clickworker and also how does Clickworker works. Okay, so with Clickworker, guys, you are doing some small tasks online. That's how you're going to get paid. There are going to be some people that's going to pay you 2 cents, 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents to do some tasks. Let's talk about some of the tasks that is. Okay, let's say that on Clickworker, after you sign up on Clickworker, you'll find a task. Let's say that someone's going to say to you, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and also take a screenshot that you did follow me, and also I'm gonna pay you 2 cents, also I'm gonna pay you 1 cent for doing that. So as you can see that the task here is so easy to do, but one of the disadvantages is that they are paying so little, only for 1 cent, guys, 1 cent dollars. So it's not worth it. It's not worth it your time. It's not worth it my time, guys. Okay. But anyways, if you want to do it, you can do it. You can just go to clickworker.com and sign and create your own free account. I'll be doing some of those small tasks, and also some of those small tasks, they will say that, okay, create a Gmail account for me, or create a Facebook account for me, create an Instagram account for me. They want to pay you 1 cent for doing those tasks, and also it takes time to verify all of those things, but they want to pay you so little. You have to do so many tasks in order to make some money here on Clickworker. Although this is a legit platform, although it does pay you those 1 cent, 2 cents, it does pay, but it is not worth your time, guys. Okay, it is not worth your time. So what I like to do, I like to use the Clickworker to hire people to do some of the tasks for me as well. You know, maybe I like to say that, okay, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, so that I can get some followers. That's what I can do using Clickworkers, guys. But not for you to make some money here. It is not worth your time. You're gonna waste your time here doing all of these small tasks here, but you're gonna get paid so little. You're gonna get paid on PayPal. You can get paid on Pioneer, or on your bank account when it reaches up to $10. Okay, you're gonna get a pay through all of that, guys. Okay, so what I like about Clickworker, it is available all over the world. Okay, it is available all over the world. You can sign. It is free to sign. You have to sign it up, and then you have to confirm the email that you used in order to get started here on Clickworker. You're gonna do some of the tasks here, guys. You'll see as only when you do it for them. When you do, after you sign up, some of the tasks that you can do here, guys. Okay, but if you want to make a real income online, like for me, guys, I did try some of these websites in the past. I never made anything, guys. Okay, I've been failing for 4 years, never make any money. But until I found the right mentor that taught me how to use high ticket affiliate marketing that allows me to earn over $1,000 per sale, guys. Okay, with high ticket affiliate marketing, that helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job. Okay, and also that helped me to have financial freedom online. Okay, if you want that free training, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. My #1 recommendation to make money online from your home, I'm gonna send it to you into your email inbox, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you.